In the fall of 2021, our family moved to Eastern Tennessee to get a fresh start after COVID. We moved here with the dream of making this area our permanent home. After buying a 70-year-old house, we started a channel, The Gospel of Eve. The purpose of the channel is to show that anyone can rebuild their life with a bit of patience, some elbow grease, and lots of love from your family. Follow us by subscribing as we realize our dream by renovating our new 1952 home together. Okay, so the first patch, we're going to do what's I've heard called California patch, but I have seen a Florida patch or whatever coastal city patch, state patch. But essentially what it is you take a scrap piece to cover this with, you measure it a little bit past the opening on both sides, and you fill all around, and I'll show you how to do it here in a second, but it makes it look really nice. So stay tuned with this. This is what it looks like. Now you'll still see a few little things, but I cannot fill it up completely because it's going to be too thick and it's going to need to dry. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is give it time. I have to give it 24 hours, but I have one up there too that I need to do. So I'm going to do that, and then you guys are going to see what it looks like at the end. The next thing I have to do is here. Well, I actually already did it. I cleared out the room. I have finished up all the patching as I showed earlier. And then the next thing I need to do now is really paint. But because I don't have much time, we have to leave a little bit later for church. I'm just gonna prep it, get it ready, wake up early in the morning tomorrow, and paint. The one thing that I still need is I do need to find a ceiling fan, because the one that my son has is not good. The wiring has come loose or damaged, it's old, and yeah, I could maybe repair it, but I don't care. I like to get something fresh for him anyway.
then I have been putting my son's closet together, and here's the sort of the idea behind all of it. Sorry. So down there he can have a bench that he can sit on, shoes go there. I'm gonna make cubbies right here. I just haven't done that yet. Up there, I'm not sure, just kind of have it there. And what else? I might put a piece of wood on this side since I do have it. And there is where the clothes are going to be hanging. And in the middle, we'll have some kind of middle support to make it a little bit stronger. So essentially that's the plan. But for now, I'm stopping.